And I'm going to introduce you a great tool that I come across with. This tool can really help you to manage copying text from video. So the name of it is Selectext, and it's a Chrome add-on. What you need to do is you go to Google and type in Selectext Chrome Addon, and then you will see it right here. Click on it, and then you will find it. Of course, I already installed it, so it says remove. You should be add to Chrome, and click on it will be add to it. I would like to pin the ones that I use often, so you can pin it, and then you will show on one of your top bar. Okay, so once you have it, what you do is for instance, when you see a video that you really like, and then there are words on the video, and then instead of you have to type every one copy from the video, what you do is you come to the video. For instance, I have a video here teaching me how to use Canva to create bulk quiz videos. So when I come here, and then there is a prompt on the screen here, and I'm thinking, oh, there's a lot, I don't want to type. So once you click on this, and you can highlight everything in here, and then copy and paste it. Right click, and it says text already copied, and then you can paste it into any format that you need or directly into ChatGPT. And I hope this really helps you, and have fun. This saves so much time. So I hope this helps you, and let me know if you have any questions and feedback. Thank you, everyone. Bye.